Hi everyone! Collectible statues are usually expensive because of licensing and painting artist fees. Today I will share with you how to DIY a collectible mermaid statue. Anyone can do it, even if you have never picked up a paintbrush, as long as you like DIY. We'll be using an inexpensive DIY kit that comes with an unpainted statue that's about the same size, design, and fine detail as the $510 statue, along with some pre-mixed acrylic paint and a painting kit. The DIY painting process is very simple. You only need to squeeze the pre-mixed paint into the palette, dilute it with water and paint directly. It is as simple as your child's painting toy. Some pigments with too little dosage need to be mixed by yourself. The detailed instructions give a rough formula, which allows you to experience the joy of color mixing and draw a unique statue. You can also learn some simple professional techniques, such as the dry brushing technique on fish scales, which can make the details more three-dimensional without difficulty. Shiny patch. Add some special effects to the fish scales. The face is the only challenge. The kit comes with 2 head statues for practice. Follow the step-by-step tutorial and practice it a few times, and you will be able to master it. If you make a mistake, you can erase it with alcohol without any burden. If you've learned makeup, you probably don't even need to practice. Finally, use the provided matte varnish to give the whole body a layer of protective paint. Finally, assemble it with glue. If you plan to sell it, you'll need hot melt glue to make it easier to disassemble later. The link to the complete tutorial is in the description. If you have any questions, please ask me there and I will do my best. The price of the DIY kit is $37. If you leave a message in the comment area, you can get a 10% off coupon. The discount is $33. Please help me leave a message about your feelings about this project. Thank you.